Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to go and push a pipe under a sidewalk and extend a discharge out here to the curb. I've already done some prep work. I wanted to go live, but I don't know if I have enough signal because I wanted to show you guys how easy this really is to do. And we're going to use the mini jetter, pressure washer, and just bore right underneath the walk. Hey, while I got you here, Ed, our franchise owner in Raleigh, is putting together a walk for veterans. Please look in the description box below. He had tried to send me a video of the walk, but I don't have that yet. I will post that as soon as I get it, but it's a fundraiser for homeless veterans. And what a great issue, what a great fund for the homeless veterans. I'm a veteran, he's a veteran. In fact, several of the employees here are veterans as well. And it would really be helpful. Donate a dime, donate $1, however much you want. But it's all, goes directly to the fund. And I really hope people, do donate. Yeah, it's hot out here. It's 8 o'clock, and you can see I'm already sweating. I've done some prep work over here. I'll show you that in a second. Don't forget about the Group Live Help on Saturday, July 3rd at 8 a.m. It's absolutely free. And all the people that have been waiting for, live help one-on-one, join in, save some money. And I'm sure I can answer all of your questions, help you with the planning, let you know if your idea will work, and so much more. But join in, the link's also in the description box below. Okay, so I already cut the sod and trenched out the line. We're gonna move this pop-up basically all the way out here at the curb. What's been happening is that I guess it's eroding this area and there's getting sand on the sidewalk. They don't like that, so we want to push it and get it underneath the walk. Pretty simple process. We're gonna use the mini jetter and a piece of 3-inch and push it right underneath of there. Let's get started. Okay, so we pushed our pipe underneath, and I'm just gonna attach 1.5 inches with a no-hub coupling because there's a lot of tension here on the line. So we'll go ahead and put this no-hub on here. And what I did was I ran the 1.5 inches through the 3-inch. We're good to go here. And we'll continue the 1.5 inches out to the curb. Let's glue that up again. Looks good. So this one's all done. We just need the backfill. And I think you can see it. Can you see the 3-inch where it went all the way under? I'll show you also. So you can see where I pushed the 3-inch under. The reason I pushed the 3-inch under is because it's actually easier to push 3-inch than 1.5 inches. And I knew I could slide, the 1.5 inches under. We used a no hub to connect the sump pump discharge. Comes over, and then we just discharge right out here by the street. So we've got all the sod put back on. Pop-ups out here. Works great, already tested it. And there wasn't any sod over here, but I used some of the extra over here to get some sod started there. You know, this is an easy job, and it definitely, I'm sweaty, I'll show you. So this is actually a very good job for the do-it-yourselfer. You can use, I've showed you how to tunnel underneath the sidewalk using the shovel. It takes about, 15 minutes to do it. I think that took, 8 minutes, 5 minutes with the jetter. It really goes quick. And yeah, I'm hot and sweaty. This is the first job in the morning here in Florida, and the humidity has to burn off. So even the homeowner came out and said, "Do you want some water? Are you sure you're okay?" I just smile because yeah, the hotter it is, the better I work. So anyways. So I'll try to render this on the way to the next job. It's actually up by the University of Central Florida. So it's about an hour from here. And things are a long ways apart here on the I-4 corridor. This is Monday maintenance day, and I do a lot of driving. We've got both crews out digging and one other service truck. But with these afternoon rains, wow, we sure get busy. Don't forget about Ed's Walk for the homeless veterans. Link will be in the description box below. And Live Help, the group free help, Saturday, July 3rd at 8 a.m. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.